Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add authentication using React.js. So we will use Laravel Breeze to set up the authentication using React.js. So let's get started with the example. So you can see that here I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and with the database setup as well. So let me go here, and first of all, if I go into the under the getting started, there is a starter kit where we have to install the Laravel Breeze. So let me go here, and there is a command, composer command, to install Laravel Breeze. So let's install it. So let me go and clear it, and let me run composer require, and I will say Laravel slash Breeze and hit enter. It will download Laravel Breeze. So let's wait a moment to download. Yeah, it's downloaded. Let me clear it. Okay, and now if I scroll down, there is a command like breeze install. So let me run this command over here. So let me go and php artisan breeze colon install, and if I hit enter, it will ask you like which bridge stack would you like to install. So I want to install with the react.js, so let me go and choose the react and hit enter. Okay, and it will ask you would you like any optional features, so I will choose the dark mode, and then they will ask you like which testing framework do you prefer. So I want to add php unit, and hit enter. It will download sanctum and all composer package, and then it will install the node dependency. So let's wait a moment to download node dependency over here. So now it's installed, and also it's built it as well. So let me clear it. Okay, so let me clear from the terminal, and now if I go here, the next step is to run the migration. I already migrated, so let me run it again. So php artisan and migrate, hit enter, nothing to migrate. Okay, and there is another two command, npm install and npm run dev, but we are doing from scratch like breeze install, so it automatically does that like npm install and npm run dev. Okay, both things are already done. So now let me go and run our application first. Okay, so php artisan and serve and hit enter, and now if I go and refresh, you can see that there is a login and there is a registration link already added over here. So now if I click on it, you can see that there is a beautiful design. If you already registered, then it goes to the registry login page. So let me go here and register one user over here. So let me refresh and create a test user. So I will say test@gmail.com and 123 456 and 789, and I will set up the confirmation password and simply register it. You can see that it registration with the beautiful design like dashboard, login, and you can see that profile page as well. Okay, now let me go here into the folder structure. Okay, what it does, so if I go to the routes, and there is auth.php file added by the Laravel Breeze. So if I click on it, you can see that they already define all the routes like register, login, forgot password, and all the things. Okay, now same thing if I go to the controller, they define the auth folder over here, and within the auth folder they define like verification, verify email, register user, login, and all the controller they created. Based on the name, you will easily understand what is the purpose of that controller. You can see that new password, email verification prompt, and email verification notification, confirmable password, and you can see that profile controller as well. Okay, same thing. Now if I go to the resource inside the js, there is a setup of the vue.js. So you can see that there is a basic setup of the vue.js, and there is a pages about the dashboard and about the profile editing and delete model and all the things. If I go here, and there is a login, there is a registration page, and here you can easily customization about the login and registration and all the pages. Okay, what Laravel Breeze give you the default, but you can easily customization that one. Okay, so you can see that how easily they given the setup and you can customize it. Now let me go to the again application and simply let me log out it, and let me log in so I can show you the login as well. So you can see the test and what we created a user before 789, and click on login. You can see that it's logged perfectly. Same thing, profile, there is a profile information, you can update it. Okay, and there will be update password, and also there is a delete account. If you hit enter, it will open the pop-up and ask you for a delete. Okay, so I hope guys you will understand the basic authentication using the Vue.js, and you can proceed with this setup, and you can easily start the things doing using the React.js. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed me, then subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.